India's place in the field of milk production in the world. Answer A. First. The state is the largest producer of tobacco in India. Answer A. Andhra Pradesh. The largest item of expenditure in the current account of the budget of the central government is. Answer C. Central planning. Which deficit is the largest contributor to the total deficit of the budget of the Government of India? Answer A. Fiscal deficit. Which one of the directive principles of the state policy deals with the promotion of international peace and security? Answer C. Article 51. When were the fundamental duties incorporated in the Indian Constitution? Answer B. 1976. In which of the following year the fundamental duties were inserted in the Constitution? Answer C. 1976. Who is competent to dissolve the Parliament? Answer B. President. Who prorogues both the House of the Parliament? Answer C. President. Who won the first Olympic medal individually for independent India? Answer A. J.D. Jadhav. Against whom did Sachin Tendulkar score his 100th century? Answer D. Bangladesh. Agriculture shot is related to which sport? Answer D. Cricket. Wankhede Stadium, Mumbai is the famous ground of which sports? Answer B. Cricket. Which first Indian player scored a triple century in Test cricket? Answer B. Virender Sehwag. Welfare state is the ordered in the Constitution? Answer C. Directive principle of policy. The list of fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution was added as a part of which of the following? Answer C. 4. In which of the following year were fundamental duties inserted in the Constitution? Answer C. 1976. Which of the following is not an executive part of Parliament? Answer A. Vice President. When was the Parliament of India inaugurated? Answer D. 1927. Rainbow Revolution is related to? Answer D. All of these. The largest producer of wheat in India is the state? Answer D. Uttar Pradesh. The largest producer of cell phone in the world is the country? Answer A. China. From which of the following direct tax the government receives maximum revenue? Answer D. Corporation tax. With which sport is Yuki Bharwari related? Answer B. Tennis. Sultan Azlan Shah Cup is related to which sport? Answer D. Hockey. In the modern version of cricket, Supermax cricket, how much time is fixed for each innings of 10 over of both the teams? Answer B. 45 minutes. Which magazine is called Bible of Cricket? Answer B. Wisden. Which of the following organization give the Kalinga Award? Answer A. Ministry of Human Resource Development. Which cricket umpire is popularly known as Great Delay? Answer A. Dicky Bird. Which of the following is the fastest Indian supercomputer recently developed by ISRO? Answer B. Saga 220. Bharat Ratna decoration was first given to whom? Answer C. C. Raja Gopal Charre. Who killed Mahatma Gandhi? Answer A. Nathuram Godse. Who has called Panchayati Raj as the school of modern democracy? Answer C. Jawaharlal Nehru.